For us at ecosystem level, it's important to see investors as players and not just beneficiaries. And it's important to see them as people that want to make a good business, and for this they need themselves to overcome a number of obstacles. These obstacles would be the access to the quality startups, the access to partnerships that will accelerate their investment, and even an easy exit strategy. And innovation, especially in healthcare, is long-term and complicated.
You need to reduce the risk, and health in particular is a high-risk endeavor. And to reduce the risk, there needs to be support from public funds.
I would suggest to be very clear on intellectual property rights. Maybe even if you don't have it still, you know exactly when and how you would like to establish your freedom to operate. Of course, financial risks, because founders would like to make sure that you can be 100% dedicating your time, and your team is also happy to proceed with the idea, even though you are taking all the risk on your shoulders in the beginning. So once you take the first few steps, then investors will be definitely willing to invest in these ventures.
We raised seed round 2 years ago, and now during our Series A round, we used plenty of connections from our current investors. It's also beneficial to do research and check who is investing really in the region.
With the right approach, and sometimes with the support that you can get from more advanced ecosystem, you can overcome this. Investors don't have enough focus on Eastern Europe, given the opportunities that they have elsewhere. But we have to do the curation and the facilitation at the same time as engaging the authorities to improve the context of investors.
Investors prefer investing in larger ecosystems because the experience is that in an ecosystem, many opportunities for communication, many opportunities to interact with other players, government, corporates, or other investors is much more plentiful. So once you are thinking about the future of a company, you want to put them in such a dense environment. So, startups don't really work well in isolation. So the more you are interconnected with each other in an ecosystem, the more likely that investors are going to prefer and they are going to be willing to invest.